Hello guys, welcome back to CompoLab building series. In yesterday's video, we have built this homepage. In today's video, we are going to build a preview. I have actually added two heroes to zoom in the button. You can see we have light glow to the button. In yesterday video, we have added this. In today's video, we are going to add a preview here. Then we are going to navigate the navbar and we are going to add a motion for it. So let's do that. First, I am going to add a preview. First, I am going to import a image from a next image. So first import that, import image from next image. Next, you can see in the public folder, we have photo. You can see the preview.jpg. We have this preview. I have generated from the AI. So let's use that. Open the landing hero. Then after the learn more button, we are going to create another one div. Here we are going to use that image. Okay. Next, src is going to be slash preview yes, preview dot jpg. Yep. Then alternative is going to be product. Here wait, here would be used product demo. Then I'm going to add height also. Height is going to be 800. Then width is also going to be 800. Let's see whether our image is coming or not. So let's check it. Yep, now you can see our image is coming, but it is very close to the button. So let's add a padding to that. I'm going to add a padding. Open this. Then class name. Yep, class name is going to be padding top. Oh, sorry. I have added the children class name. Then it is going to be py. I think shall I add py or what? We can add empty also. Let's add py only. Py is going to be I will add 12 for now. Let's see. Yep, now it will maintain the distance from that. I think it looks better. Let's see in the 100. Okay. Yep, now it is looks better. I think 12 is better. You can see. Yep. Let's remove that second hero section in the page. Go to app, then page.tsx, then remove double heroes which I have added here. Now there will be only one hero. Yep. Now we have hero section with a preview. Next, we are going to add a motion for this. So first we need to install motion. So framer motion. I'm going to open that website framer motion. Then we are going to install it. Right. If you don't know motions, we will use framer motions for the animations. It will give very much better animations for our website web application. To disconnect the VPN, then our framer version website will open. Wait, let me see. I think it will take a lot of time. I think I am going to install it directly. Go to terminal, close the server, cls, then npmi motion, motion, npmi motion. Let's see, will it install or not? It is installing. Let me see. Yep, framer motion website is open. Now you can see we have You can add any type of animations for this. You can see now in today's video we are going to add a simple tablet like I think they didn't add. I think you can see in the Vercel. Wait, I will show you demo. Yep. In Vercel, you can see for in the nav bar, it the background of the nav bar it will go like it it will follow from the overview, then into next interrogations, next development, then activity. It will move from one like icon to another one icon. Now we are going to build same exactly like this. So let's build that. Let's close this website. Now we are going to build that. I think get started. React. I think installation is very much similar. I think we have npm install motion. Then we are going to import motion from motion React. Then we are going to use that. So let's use that. In navbar, we are going to use in common. We have navbar. Then I am going to use the motion. Let's import motion from motion React. What motion? Still it is installing. Wait, let me close that. Copy from here and paste npm install motion. I don't know why my internet is very slow now. npm is installing very slow. Now it is installed very fast. Well, let's close the terminal. Now our framework motion is installed. We need to import motion from the motion React, not from the framework motion. Then we are going to use this here. Next, in the first video, we have built icons like this, but we are going to use the arrays of links that we are going to use. Wait, I am going to create a const what scroll by I don't need now. We need nav bar links. So nav bar links, nav bar links. Then it is going to be okay. Then we will have what the home. We will have then features. Then we will have pricing. Then we will have about. Yep, it is perfect. Next, we are what href is going to be. Href is going to be. I don't know why it is. Yeah, I'm going to add this. Then I'm going to add it features. Yep. Then for this route is going to be pricing. Then it is going to be about. Yep. Now it is perfect. Next, here we are going to close this. We are going to close UL. Then we have CompoLib. Then we have we don't need UL. We have another one div also. We are going to map through here. We are going to map. Yep. Navbar links dot map. Then we are going to use the links and index wide index wide I will see. Now motion dot dev. Yep. Then we will have key is going to be index. Then insert is going to be opacity. We don't need motion now. Wait, I will add nav bar links dot map map. Yep. Then link. Then we are going to use main link here. Let's import the link. Let's import link from next. Wait, next link. Yep. Then we are going to use that. Here we will have yeah. Then we will have link dot. Okay, I have made the mistakes. Guys, now you can see I have mapped through the navbar links. Then I have added the href and the link, and we have added the key also. So let's see how it is looking like. Let's open our localhost server is not running. So let's run the server. npm run dev. Let's wait. Yep, server is running. Let's open it. Okay, I have opened this. Now you can see our links are coming from the which are we are mapping from the links array. Next, we are going to add a gap from here. Then we are going to add a motion. So let's add that. First, first we need to add a gap. Okay. Class name is going to be flex. Then item center, justify center. Then I'm going to add gap. Is going to be 2. Let's see gap 2 how it will look. I think gap 2 is pretty decent. I'm going to add gap 4. Gap is going to be 4. Let's see. Yep, gap 4 is looking nice, I think. Then I'm going to add a wait, I'm going to add class name for the link. Class name is going to be relative relative. Relative. Then I am going to add padding y of I think padding y is going to be how much shall I add? I think I'm going to add 2. Then I'm going to add px of 2. Let's see how it look like. Then I'm going to add a bg color just to see. Bg is going to be red. Bg red 500. Now you can see our navbar is looking great. But padding is, I think, if padding Y is more, we need to increase the padding X also. So let's increase that. First, I am going to remove the gap between the links to the 2. Then I am going to increase the PX to 4. Then it is going to be rounded. ROUN rounded full. Let's see. Yep, it is looking perfect now. It must look like this. Yes, it is better now. Next, we are going to use the use state to store the which is overed. So let's import the use state. Use state. Then we are going to create a const over overed comma set overed is going to be number. Okay, it is going to be false. Okay, we don't need that. Initially, it is going to be null. Then type is going to be number or a null. Number or null. Number or null. Next, for the link with everything. Yep. On the link, I am going to add on mouse enter with on mouse. Yep. I am going to add on mouse enter. I am going to set over is going to be index. What? We are going to use index here. Next, we are going to set the index to the this. Then what else we need? Yep. Here we are going to add on mouse leave. Yep. On mouse leave is going to be set mouse on set forward is going to be null. It is completely perfect. Then we are going to remove this bg. It is going to be group gr group. Then I am going to create a div here, just a div for the class name is going to be absolute, then height full, width full, height width full, then rounded full, then what else we need? Then yep, insect is going to be insect is going to be 0. Then what else we need? Let's add on hover is going to what? Oh, sorry. We need to add group hover. Group group. On group hover, we are going to add bg. Let's add bgl. Okay. Let's just for the demo. Let's see. Okay, we have an error. What is this error saying? Oops, wait, what happened? Let's see what I have made wrong. Hello. Guys, first we need to convert this component into use client components. Then we can use state. Now you can see I have added the use state. Now let's see. Let's refresh. Yep. Now we can see our navbar is coming. On hover, our particular link is going to be background is going to be yellow. You can see it perfectly. Let's change the name of it. Let's try to change the color of it to the white. I think we need to convert into white, or let let me think. Like if I'm going to convert into the BG is going to be let on over BG is going to be primary. Let's see primary 20. Let's see how it looks. We don't need primary 20. Let's add. I think I will add primary fully. Let's see. Yep, now it is white. Perfectly all right. Next, I am going to add a class name for this spam. Class name is going to be wait, relative. I think we need to add in the backticks. We don't you if you don't know where is backtick, it is exact below the escape button. Then we are going to add relative z10. Yep. Then what? Yep, z10 is perfect. Then what else we need? Okay, relative. Then we need z10. No, it is not coming. So z is going to be 10. Then we are going to add a dollar. Where is the dollar? If dollar forward is going to be index, then our text is going to be primary. Otherwise, text is going to be foreground. Let's see how it is look like. Okay, text is not coming. Let's see. If relative is going to be z, then forward is going to be index. Then text primary. I think we are going to add. If BG is going to be primary, then it is going to be white only, right? We don't need primary. We don't need it. I think we need secondary. I think yes. Secondary. Let's see. I think it is going to be a dark one. Assumable. Yep. Now it is perfect. Now our when we hover, our we will navbar is going to be navbar link is going to be tablet like structure. Then text is going to be like black. It is not black purely. It is going to be neutral 850 or 900 something. I have declared in the root. Now it is perfect. Now we are going to use the motion. So first we need to convert the wait. First, we need to convert this div into motion div. First, we are going to convert it. To convert a motion div, for the div starting, we need to add motion dot div. Now our div converted into a motion. Next, we are going to add a. I think what else what we need to add. Oh shit, we don't need like this. Maybe. I'm going to add it in the next line. It will be super better. Then class name. Then we are going to give a layout ID. Layout ID. Layout ID is going to be nav over and fill. You can give anything, but it is going to be unique QID. Let's see, will it work or not? Now you can see it is working perfectly. It will transferring from the one icon to the another one icon perfectly, but we don't have a the better transition for the text. I'm going to add it now. Let me add it. Here we are going to add that we have zeta. Then we are going to add transition. Then what else we need? The transition colors. Then duration. Duration is going to be 300. I think. Let me add 300. And see. Let's see how it look like. Still, I think text color is not perfectly coming. It is coming, but it is not. I think it is not good. It is like a flickering. Guys, I will zoom it. Now you can see, guys. In our navbar, it is completely fine. It is moving from one link to the another one link, but text is having some issue. Let me fix that. Z is going to be relative. Then we have transition colors. Duration is going to be 300. What else we need to add? Wait, I will see in the demo. We have link text primary foreground. Okay. Text foreground 40. Okay. We need to add text for foreground. Then duration is going to be 300. Then transition colors relative. Okay. Text primary foreground. Okay. We need to add a we need to change the color. So let's change the color. We don't need to add secondary. We are going to add primary foreground. Primary foreground. FOREGROUND. Yep. Now let's see will it work. Still it is like a splashy. It is converting, but text is not correctly alright. So let's add further if there is no index, let's add the vulnerable. We are going to add text. Foreground is going to be 40. Let's add that. Let's see. Still something is off, I think. Primary or secondary? Primary, wait, let's see. Foreground 60, okay. I have added the 40. We need to add 60 primary foreground. We need to add it 60. Let's see. Will it work or not? Right now we can see it is very perfect. It is converting from the one layer to the another one link to the another faster. just like a tablet. It is very perfect. Let me see. I can do another one thing just for the better. I'm going to move mouse center. Okay. I'm going to cut this mouse left is going to be, let's cut it. I'm going to place it here only. Just I will see will it work or not. Okay, it is not working. That one is perfect. Control Z. Yep, guys. Now you can see our we have navbar with a animations. You can see it will transfer from one link to the another one link. But text is not better. I think text is not good. What? Wait. Something is off. I think for the text color. We are going to add a relative. Then we have added the Z10 transition color duration 300. Then if hovered is going to be index, then we are going to add a text primary color, text primary foreground. Otherwise, we are going to add a text foreground 60. But I don't know why the text is not visible properly. Okay, guys, that's it for this video, guys. In next video, we are going to fix this issue and we are going to make it better. So you can see when I come back, then the text is not going. I don't know why. Wait, try to fix it now only. Navbar icon, control Z. On mouse sleeve is going to be nice. It must going to be nice. So let's see now. Yep, now it is perfect, guys. Our error is solved. Now you can see it is transferring from one link to the another one link properly. It is better. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. In next video, we are going to add another one sections. So stay tuned and hit the subscribe.